Okay, let's go.
Right, what do you think, Mr. Johnson? What do you think about the CNC machine? With your experience with that, you've handled a couple of machines before, so.
And actually, my name is Cletus Johnson, and I have worked with for the several 6 years. I've used CNC machines, different kind of machines before, but this particular one, Blue Elephant CNC router, is different kind of machine I'm using now. This machine is very powerful than the previous machine I've used before. It's very strong, and for the few days I've been with this machine, what I can say about this machine is very good product. Blue Elephant machine is very good product that can help you do whatever you want to do with woodworks. We deal with woodwork. We do only woodworks here. We are professionals in thick wood, so we use different types of woods, but we do only with thick wood. So Blue Elephant machine is a very powerful machine. We use this machine to cut a lot of our patterns and our product patterns. We don't use our hands to hustle to get it done again. And after we are using the machine, we have everything done